Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to disable UI sounds. For example, if you're moving right your mouse, if you want to disable this sound, you can do it. For that, right, you need to press this Steam button or tap the Steam menu. So here we need to go to the settings. So under settings, right, come to audio. Choose audio. So we are getting sound. So here we need to disable this UI sounds. So it's already enabled. I'm going to turn it off. Super cool. That's it. So there is no sound. Again, right, if you want to enable it, so we need to go back and then again come to settings and audio, and here you need to enable it. So that's it, friends. So this is the way you can enable or disable the UI sounds in Steam Deck. So that's it. Hope this video is very much helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please put a comments and feedback in my forms. Thank you. Bye and take care.